for all of us in REHAU to be here launching the REHAU Kitchen. It's REHAU's foray into the B2C space. For 25 years. It is with great pride today that we launch REHAU Kitchens, our foray into B2C space. We have so far had our stronghold in the B2B space. 25 years has been our journey in India, and now we are looking at consolidating beyond what we have achieved so far. And of course, bringing in German technology, German innovation and European quality to the Indian consumer, to the very discerning Indian consumer, whether it's from a reliability perspective, from a looks perspective, from a maintenance perspective. It is what REHAU aims to achieve. We have done it so far, and it is not without conviction that we come into participating in this market. Like I said, it's a premium category that we are targeting, and we hope to bring in European kitchens with REHAU Kitchen to the Indian consumer.
So coming to the REHAU Kitchen, so this is the REHAU's foray into the kitchen segment with the launch of REHAU Kitchen today. So the aim is of providing the end-to-end customized solutions to the Indian consumers in the premium segment, which is with a shorter lead time and the designs of the Indian consumers, offering them a more than 100 plus range of finishes, colors in the surface segment, where they can come and choose the product. They can come to our experience center. We are planning to open a point of sales in each and every state of India, starting with Karnataka today and expanding down south first, and then going upwards to cover the entire India. So this is how we plan to appoint our point of sales in India. So the aim is, again specifying, is to give the German quality kitchen with the Indian lead times, faster lead times with the Indian requirement of the housewives. Thank you very much. Thank you.